Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Measure ingredients first. Use 8 oz cooked udon and about 8 oz protein like chicken, tofu, or shrimp, plus 1 cup mixed vegetables for 2 servings. Whisk a simple teriyaki sauce, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon mirin, 1 tablespoon sugar, and 1 tsp cornstarch dissolved in 2 tablespoon water to thicken. Mince 2 cloves garlic and 1 inch fresh ginger. Slice vegetables thin so they cook quickly. Pat protein dry and cut into bite-sized pieces. Then place a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat and add 1 tablespoon sesame oil. Wait until it shimmers. Add protein in a single layer and sear 3 to 4 minutes per side until cooked through, then transfer out. Add a touch more oil and stir-fry sliced vegetables 2 to 3 minutes until bright and slightly tender. Push veggies to the side and quickly sauté minced garlic and ginger 30 seconds. Return protein, stir in udon, pour the teriyaki sauce, and toss 1 to 2 minutes to coat and heat through. Finish by removing from heat and tossing once more to fully coat noodles. Garnish with 1 tsp, toasted sesame seeds, and 2 sliced green onions for freshness. Taste and adjust seasoning. Add 1 tsp sugar for sweetness or 1 tablespoon soy sauce for saltiness, and a squeeze of lime if you like acidity. Serve hot straight from the skillet. Portion sizes are about 2 servings per recipe. Cool leftovers quickly and store in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days, reheating gently on medium heat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.